Hi everyone, welcome back to Titli Foundation. So you must have read by the title that today we're going to talk about menstrual cups, and I'm Krusha Shah, the head of groundwork department at Titli, and without any further delay, let's get into the video. So number one, what is a menstrual cup? So as you all can see, a menstrual cup is a small and a pretty flexible funnel shaped period care product which is inserted into the vagina, and this menstrual cup collects your period fluid, and depending on your flow it can last for up to 12 hours per day, and after washing the menstrual cup you can reuse it for 10 good years, saving you a lot of time, money and stress. Number two, what do they do? By switching to a menstrual cup, you find yourself a lifelong companion. They're not just sustainable but also environmental friendly. And these menstrual cups, they're made of toxin-free, medical grade rubber or silicone which sit into your vagina and collect your blood, unlike pads and tampons which absorb your blood. Number three, how are they better than pads and tampons? So, unlike menstrual cups, pads and tampons are made of intensive toxic chemicals which you wouldn't want anywhere near your sensitive areas. And not just that, the plastic which is produced from pads and tampons takes several centuries to decompose. A menstruator uses approximately 11,000 pads and tampons in his or her lifetime. And multiply this with the number of menstruators in this entire planet, and the number that you get is equal to the amount of hazardous waste which is produced every day in our environment. Yes, you heard it right, and no, we are not exaggerating. Number 4. Why should you make the switch? The environment bears a serious brunt of our period, and we ought to save it some stress. Collectively, menstrual cup is a one-time investment, and it's not just good for your body but also for the environment. And it's a greener alternative to pads and tampons. And unlike pads and tampons, you can never run out of menstrual cups, not for another 10 years at least. Using a menstrual cup can be a little taxing at first, but once you get the hold of it, there's no going back. It's the most comfiest period product, and you can't even feel it inside your vagina. It's super soft and flexible, making insertion and removal very easy. Also, menstrual cup saves a hell lot of money and time. So say hi to an intense shopping spree. It's all worth it for a happy you and a happier planet. But hey, if you need any help in making the switch, Titli Foundation is always there for you. So please don't hesitate and reach out to us. And also, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. And thank you so much.